Dr. Kim Hammond from the Falls Road Animal Hospital is here. He joins us to answer your pet questions with Bo, who may be small but has a big personality.
Bo has got a big
Kinda
personality.
Like you.
Very, yeah, man, thank you. Thank you, I think. Did you say maybe big and has a big personality? Anyway, yeah, I am a little guy. Yeah, no, Bo is a beautiful sort of German Shepherd cross, and you know, it's kind of like letting me know he doesn't want to be away from mommy.
Right.
Yeah.
The toy's working a little bit.
Yeah, he's got, see this little white paw? He's got a little spaniel in him. A little bird dog.
Okay.
Okay.
He's like, yes, I do.
Yeah, okay, Bo.
All right, how about some questions, Dr.
Okay.
Kim? This
Yeah.
one's from Pat. She writes, I have two 4-year-old lab shepherd dogs. In the past 6 months, one has become panicky during storms. We purchased a Thunder shirt, and it seems to help. She's never afraid in the past. What could cause this?
All right, if the Thunder shirt seems to help, good luck. It probably doesn't help, but if it's helping temporarily, we're thrilled, because that's a simple thing to do. That's just sort of like kind of a calming mechanism. But yeah, I know. But we actually have products that can take the buzz off of these animals. And if you know a thunderstorm or something like that's coming, if you know a panicky situation is coming, the plumber's coming or something like that, there is medication you can give about 40 minutes ahead of time. Talk to your veterinarian. They can tether it based on the experience that you're dealing with. But your dog doesn't have to be anxious. It just doesn't have to be that way.
All right. This is from Bertha, who says, I have a 10-year-old cat who likes to eat several times a day, but when we don't give in, he vomits. This happens often, and he's lost some weight within the past 9 months. What should I do?
All right, because of the last part of that question, the losing weight, we should go see a veterinarian. And it could very well be because we have thyroid disease or some other disease. Thanks, Bo. Bo agrees. But you know, it's not specifically that you're not feeding that's causing the vomiting. There's some other gastric irritation.
Right.
But Sarah, you know, there's an interesting thing. Cats can throw up just like you and I can flex our arm. They have voluntary mechanisms, so they can throw up when they want to. And there's obviously something going on there that your veterinarian can help you with. So that's what I would look at.
All right.
Yeah.
Last question. Mike writes, we have a 10-year-old cat who all of a sudden isn't using the litter box, but instead going on the cement floor. He checked out fine at the vet. What could be causing this?
There's an art to getting cats to go into litter boxes, and you can call me after the show at the Falls Road Animal Hospital, and I'll help you. But, rule of thumb, one more litter box than cat. Put it in an area where the cats are comfortable going. You know, if your kid has a new set of drums next to the litter box, maybe that's a deterrent. And, you know, there is a great product called Cat Attract, which you can get at the pet stores anywhere. And you pour it in the litter, and it's sort of a pheromone. It drives the cats towards the litter. And keep the litter meticulously clean. Clean it every day.
Okay, good stuff.
All right.
Oh, thanks. We'll let you go. Sorry to hold you up, buddy. I know.
Oh, he's yawning. Oh, what do we bore you? Gee.
Coming up next.